Today, we are unboxing the Seiko Prospex Speedtimer SSC965P1. The dial immediately stands out. It features a light mint blue color. This fresh shade gives the watch a real summer feel. The case is made of stainless steel. On top sits a durable sapphire crystal for extra protection. The case diameter is 39 millimeters. The thickness measures 13.3 millimeters. Inside the watch is the Seiko Solar Caliber V192. It is powered by light and does not require a traditional battery. When fully charged, it offers a power reserve of up to 6 months. The movement is accurate to approximately plus or minus 15 seconds per month. The dial features 3 subdials that display the chronograph minutes, running seconds, and a 24-hour indicator. The watch comes on a stainless steel bracelet. The lug width is 20 millimeters. And finally, on the wrist. The compact size makes it very comfortable to wear. Combined with the mint dial, this speed timer has a sporty and refreshing character.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.